One of the questions I'm always being asked is, how do I deal with stressed skin or a too sensitive skin, or people will write in and say, my skin is red and irritated and flaky. What can I do for this? Which one of your products would work best with me? And the first thing I say to them is stop everything you're putting on your skin. Obviously you're reacting to something that you're using. So I say stop and just use very gentle products, water, and if you just have some basic sorbeline to cleanse your skin with, or some oil to cleanse your skin with, just stop everything and give your skin a moment to just rest and heal again. We do at Scout we have an anti-pollution kit, which is great, and I would suggest that once your skin has settled down somewhat, to then start introducing our Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I find is excellent for settling down any redness. The Skin Perfecting Radiance Gel is another product I would use to settle down some redness and help with any sensitive skin issues. So basically, let's go back to basics and just start reintroducing any new products you want to start using very, very slowly. Maybe start with one product that you're going to introduce, and if it says 3 drops, use 1 drop, and build it up over the course of a week or 2, so that you are using the recommended suggestion for that product. So, and then after your skin is comfortable with that product, then introduce another product. So I hope that answers any stressed skin issues for you.